officially licensed Chevrolet Colorado. Clean body lines, aggressive stance, and those details make it look way bigger than 1/18 scale. From the back, you've got realistic tail lights, solid bumper design, and a tough off-road look that's ready to bash straight out of the box. And the side, the proportions are spot on, short wheelbase, high ground clearance, and that proper off-road truck profile. Everything you need to know is right here on the box. 1/18 scale, brushless power, all-metal drivetrain, oil-filled shocks, and it's ready to run. This thing isn't just for display, it's built for action. Let's do the unboxing. You also get a proper manual, helpful for beginners and great for maintenance or upgrades. All metal, oil-filled shocks, smooth compression and rebound as it feel. Perfect for absorbing jumps, bumps, and rough terrain. Stock battery comes with 2S7.4V 1050 mAh LiPo, enough punchy performance. And clip-on battery holder. Less flexible for other battery. Under the hood, a 370 brushless motor with metal heatsink and cooling fan. 45A brushless ESC. This is the 2.4 GHz 4-channel radio system, comfortable in hand, responsive steering, and no interference issues. Spare part in case you break it. And basic charger. Better use a proper balance charger for longer battery lifespan. And yeah, fully working LED lights. Looks awesome during evening runs and adds serious scale realism. Steering response is sharp, throttle is smooth, and the digital servo feels precise. No jitter, no lag, just clean control. Let's get it dirty. Water splashes, quick spins, and zero hesitation. This truck loves to be pushed. Fast donuts. Subscribe for more.